how much will the bankruptcy cost me?
Price is something that everybody seems to be concerned about. Obviously, they're filing for bankruptcy. They don't have a lot of money. There's two main chapters of bankruptcy. There's a Chapter 7.
What does a Chapter 7 do?
A Chapter 7 is basically a fresh start. That's going to eliminate miscellaneous debt, such as medical bills, credit cards, personal loans, and you get to keep property that you want, such as a house and a vehicle, provided you continue to make payments on those items. There's also some other qualifications, but that's basically what Chapter 7 is, a fresh start, eliminating miscellaneous debt, keeping the property you want to keep, too much equity, and getting back on your feet, getting a new financial start. And you can do that once every 8 years under Chapter 7.
And again, asking about the cost, but again, I just had a quick little question to interject in there. So I can get rid of I can get rid of my student loans too. That's fantastic.
No, not a student loan.
There's certain debts you can't get rid of in Chapter 7?
There are definitely some exceptions. Student loans, recent taxes, parking tickets, child support, maintenance, moving violations, court fines. Those are debts that are going to stick around.
How about the iPath stuff? Because maybe I may have blown through a few of those, and I have acquired $50,000 in fines and penalties and interest.
Well, that would be incredible if you accumulated that much, but definitely non-dischargeable. So That's not going to go away because that is a fine to a municipality or a governmental body. So those debts don't go away.
All right, so that's a Chapter 7. Well, what's a Chapter 7 going to cost?
Chapter 7 rather, is going to range in terms of price. At the time of this airing, the court costs alone are $306.
Yeah.
So no matter where you file a Chapter 7 anywhere in the country, even Hawaii, it's going to cost you $306 for filing fees. Attorney's fees are going to range based on the jurisdiction, the climate, how the attorneys are assembled there. But on average, I would say you're looking anywhere from $750 towards the bottom to $2,500 towards the top. So it's a wide range. There's a lot of variance in terms of experience levels of different attorneys, services they provide, experience levels, expertise. So there's a range out there, just like in anything else.
So, and of course, it would be, for example, if I had 3 or 4 major debts as opposed to having 37.
Well, there's definitely attorneys that charge based on what they see in front of them. If someone has 2 or 3 debts for less than $10,000, they're probably going to get a lesser fee than someone who comes in with 100 creditors,
Right.
up in the millions. So it's going to vary depending on what the attorney sees.